Keeping your content structure tidy and organized is always beneficial. It will help you avoid data redundancy, facilitate easier onboarding of new content editors to your project, and also allow for greater teamwork between multiple content authors. Let's look at the current state of our content. We have all the authors contained within the author list. Remember that we allowed articles to be added directly to the content root. To avoid cluttering the root structure directly, let's also create an article list template and keep all articles contained within a proper folder. This helps us keep things neat.